Hi, for those of you who are experiencing the same problem as I did, where you build a shape or you insert an image into an artboard, but somehow you cannot resize them. So in this video, I will show you how to solve it. So every time you um, insert an image like this, you make a square or a rectangle or a circle, it doesn't matter. Or even if you insert an image and then somehow when you want to resize them, you just you can't. So to solve this problem is pretty easy. You just have to go to the view tab here, and then there's a show bounding box option in the view tab. Click it, and then there you go. You'll see the bounding box, and then you can easily resize them as you like. So I hope this video helped to solve the can't resize problem, and thank you for watching.